Hello folks, we're redoing another vid, Rooster by Alice in Chains. I came back to do this just to tidy up the tab a little bit and then found there's just a bunch of things that I'd not got quite right. So we are going to remedy that immediately. Tuning is going to be your whole guitar down half a step, so if you want to tune to me you can. Should sound like that. Now tone wise, if you really want to nail that intro tone, I use a light boost and a flanger. Live, Jurek actually uses like his sort of standard always on boost with a chorus and a flanger, right? With these settings, right, so there's no gain, it's the tube screamer side and the tone right the way up. So that changes my tone from this to this. It is pushing the amp a little bit, right? But then what you're going to do is roll off the volume ever so slightly. This is what Jerry does live. Just a touch. Then add your flanger. I'm using the Past Effects Elastic Mattress, which is a brilliant name. You can guess where that comes from. And then you've got... Sounds pretty close, right? The only thing you need then is wah and distortion. I'm not plugged the wah in, but the distortion I'm using, the funny little box, is dirt as well. And these settings, I mean, for me, are just what this pedal's all about, really. So let's dive in with the first riff. We're going to play this. You're going to play that round and round, and there's some solo stuff over it as well. The thing that I thought this was, I thought he was keeping the root note, but he doesn't. He takes it off. I don't know how I missed it, because he does it in the unplugged and very recent stuff as well. So there we go. So you're going to play down, down, off, 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 off. All right? And notice the accents. Where I've put them there, right? So try and get those in. Then you move the shape up to the 5th fret. And then back down. That's pretty straightforward, right? After 8 of those, there's this lead line with the wah played, right? Now on the 8th time, on that second bar, that's when he plays this 1, 2, 3. That then rings out for like 9 bars. Then you play 1. That's just 1, 2, 3. Just a little rundown. Okay, but you're going to keep that octave in there, and you play the 5th string open. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Little hammer on. Like that. Then the guitar part goes into this part. And then you're down here. Like that. And then round again, right? So you go 7th fret, just major chord. And you're going to do 8th notes. A little 16th at the end, up to the 10th fret. And there is like a... at the end rhythmically with this hand, but you've got to get down to the 2nd fret, right, for this. So that part's cool. We have off, on, off, on, okay? Okay. 3, 4. So you're basically playing. This part's cool. You move to the B. So what I do here is abandon it there, so you've got enough time to get to that power chord, and then back. So my little finger does not move, right? Then you go around again. Then, big bit. Distortion comes on, and you're going to play. And around again. So make a power chord shape, but then take your first finger off. And then you play. It's like a major chord basically, but with B and E open. And if you've got a whammy, I think there's a little bit of that there, a little bit of light tremolo. So again. Then you go to the A with this rundown. And a good bit of vibrato there. And there I thought it was like a little bend there. It's not, it's just an open fifth string. And this part I thought was, I see him play it here. So he just adds his little finger onto the fifth frets there. Then he goes to these, this is with wah as well, he goes for these. Does that, I thought it was played here. But nope, live, he's up here. So we'll go for that. So the 7th fret, so these are octaves, and you're going to play, it's a little grace note slide. Another grace note slide. Then you do 6. And I think he plays while that low note's ringing out. The 3rd time there is just a little bit of a harmony. Just that, right, as per the tab. Around again. That's a bit different, isn't it? So you've got the same chords again. When we go down here, just not using the full chords, just the sort of power chord shape. So it's really cool. And then we go. Back into this. Two of those, and then while that's ringing out, the other guitar's back to. Some other like noodly bits with the wah here actually. So you have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Right, and there's a couple more. So it's coming in on the forehand. And then 17th fret rings out for 2 bars, almost for 2 full bars. Then you do 3, 4, and then 2, 3, 4. Little blues lick. Then we've got this. And again, that just rings out. Then round again. Back in. Man, that's so good, isn't it? 2 of those, and then the outro is just basically... And the second bar of that you do here. And then that intro part is sort of faded back in then. But then it goes up here for this 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. That basically, so 2, 3, 4, 1. That's just a half step bend on the 16th fret. And that, folks, is it. Should be exactly how you play it. And also how to get the tone. See you soon.